exchanger for operation or maintenance. The process involves inspection, cleaning, flushing, leak testing, assembly, pre-operation checks, and documentation. First, let's visualize a basic shell and tube heat exchanger. Here is the shell, and inside are several tubes. Step 1. Inspection. Check the shell and tubes for visible damage, corrosion, or leaks. Use a magnifying glass to look closely. Step 2. Cleaning. Remove dirt, scale, and deposits from tubes and shell. This can be done mechanically with brushes or scraping tools, or chemically with cleaning agents. Step 3. Flushing. Flush with water or solvent to remove loose debris and cleaning residues. Ensure flow through all tubes. Step 4. Leak testing. Pressurize with air or liquid and monitor a gauge to verify no leaks in tubes or shell. Step 5. Assembly. Reassemble any parts removed for cleaning or inspection. Use proper tools and torque specifications. Step 6. Pre-operation checks. Verify all connections, valves, and instrumentation are properly installed and functional before startup. Finally, Step 7. Documentation. Record all maintenance and preparation activities, including dates, findings, and corrective actions for future reference. That's the complete preparation process for a shell and tube heat exchanger. Inspection, cleaning, flushing, leak testing, assembly, pre-operation checks, and documentation ensure safe and efficient operation. Thank you.